Hi, this is Kishore Merchant, and I bring to you this message on behalf of the Can Assist Breast team to raise the awareness of breast cancer. Did you know that breast cancer is the most common cause of cancer among Indian women? Just like COVID-19 is a serious threat against which we have to take precautions, we can also take steps to reduce the risk of developing breast cancer. So let's hear from the cancer experts what these steps are.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. I head the Department of Breast Diseases and Cancer Care at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. You all are aware of breast cancer and the rising incidence of this disease in India. What I would like to talk about is how can we reduce the risk of getting this cancer in Indian ladies. Now, non-hereditary breast cancer constitutes almost 90% of all the cases. So I will just be sharing 3 or 4 simple things with you with which you can reduce your risk by 20 to 30%. First is maintaining your weight in the normal range. So you all must have heard of body mass index, BMI. If your BMI is in the normal range, that not only reduces the risk of breast cancer, but 6 other cancers as well. And the other 2 things are smoking and alcohol consumption. If you can avoid these 2, then you can reduce your risk by almost 20%. We are living in cities which are, as it is, so polluted that even if we don't want to smoke, we end up smoking 3 to 4 cigarettes a day. You don't need to smoke more than that. In addition to this, all ladies, those who become pregnant, should at least try to breastfeed for 1 year, as breastfeeding for 1 year has protective effect on breast cancer. So even if you're working, try to breastfeed your child for at least 1 year. So just by carrying out these simple measures, you can reduce your risk of breast cancer by almost 20 to 30%. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Deepak Jha, Clinical Lead in the Department of Breast Surgery at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Apart from the routine risk factors, there are certain factors not in our control, like our genes. Familial or genetic breast cancers comprise approximately 10% of all breast cancers. Here again, prevention is better than cure. If someone has a strong family history, a tailored screening program or even genetic testing can be recommended for them. This helps in early detection or even opting for surgery that prevents occurrence of cancers, similar to what Hollywood actress Angelina Jolie underwent. Many thanks for the Can Assist Breast team for raising awareness about breast cancer. Thank you.